Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare lion's mane mushroom. First, gently clean your mushroom. Use a slightly damp cloth to wipe away any dirt or debris from its delicate surface. It is important to avoid rinsing it directly under water, as this mushroom readily absorbs moisture, which can affect its texture when cooked. Finally, trim off any tough or discolored sections at the base. Next, let's talk about how to slice your lion's mane. You have a couple of great options depending on your desired outcome. For a substantial, steak-like experience, slice the mushroom into pieces approximately 1/2 inch thick. If you prefer a softer, more delicate texture, you can easily shred it with your hands, much like you would prepare pulled pork. Uniformity in size ensures even cooking. Now, let's explore some popular cooking methods. Sautéing is a fantastic option. Simply cook your prepared lion's mane in a pan with butter or oil over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. For a deeper, nutty flavor, try roasting it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. Grilling also works wonderfully, providing a smoky taste after 3 to 4 minutes per side. Finally, let's talk about enhancing the flavor and serving your delicious lion's mane. Season it generously with staples like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Fresh herbs such as thyme or rosemary also complement its unique taste beautifully. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end can really brighten the entire dish. Enjoy it as a standalone main course, a delightful side, or mixed into your favorite stir-fries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.